Not a day goes by when I don't think about you. Not a moment passes away when missing you. What I not do. You, to me, are an angel from heaven, sent to make me smile. I need you by my side, dear angel, all the while I love you. Each day I find myself loving you more. I try every way possible for you to know, because you make me so happy and I want you to make too. I want to know you that you have filled my life with joy and you. I wrote your name on a piece of paper, but the wind came and took it away. I wrote your name on the sand, but the sea washed it away. So now I have carved your name in my heart, and baby, here it shall forever stay. Real love knows no boundaries. Real love knows no territories. Real love knows no deadlines. Real love knows no insufficient times. Real love knows no measures. Real love is only meant to treasure. Real love is experienced by only a fortunate few. Real love is what, my baby, I have for you. I really love you. It is funny that I care of someone more than myself. It is funny that I think of someone while I choose what to dress. It is funny that I try to forget them, but in vain. It is funny cause even though it gives me so much pain. It is funny that I find the need to please someone all the time. It is funny that all I want is to make that someone mine. You live in my soul, not my heart. I miss you while we are apart. I feel the urge to listen to your voice all the while. When you are not around, I feel like crying. You make me smile as easily as a snap. I love you laying on your shoulder and take a nap. So baby, I'm going to keep you in my soul, not my heart, so that even after I am dead, you are alive in me. Naughty Cupid, stuck with his arrow. It is such a lovely sorrow. No matter how much I try to talk love, he strikes me right ever. Love then takes a toll on my mind, and I fall in love as if I am blind. My dearest, love at first sight, I love you so, with all my might. I have written your name on my heart. It reminds me how much I love you when you are apart. I promise to forever and for always treat you right. I promise to only have you, my baby, in my sight. In your love, I feel so beautiful as bird, flying freely and far away above mountains undiscovered. In your love, I feel as wild as deer, running around like crazy, far and near. In your love, I feel as dreamy as a little child who is excited to see what the future unfolds. You make me want to look forward to the next day because you have already brightened up my today. The love I have for you is really very strong. It rings in my ear like bells are creating a sweet song. This is a feeling I have never felt before. This is a strong feeling I get when I see your face outside my door. If there is anything I fear, it is losing you, cause without you I feel so lost and blue. You have formed such an important part of my being. Everywhere I look around, it is you that I am seeing. I am in love with you. You are an angel and you belong in heaven. For me, on earth you were sent. So since you came down on earth for me, I'm going to give you heaven on earth, my darling. I love you, baby. If I were to follow your path, I would never be lost. Even if I were lost, such a place it would be. Cause baby, I love you the most. So lead me your way, my dear. Cause getting lost in not what I fear. If I fear it is losing you, my love, you to me are like a star fallen from heaven above. Like a diamond on a ring, like gleam to bling, like colors on a rainbow, like sugar to marshmallows, like light to the sun, like bread to brunch, like honey to the honeycomb, like a child in mother's womb. You seem to be the best thing in my world, and you have made my whole life swirl. You are that piece of jigsaw puzzle that was missing and could not be found in a dozen. There is clearly no one like you in the world. You are one in a million that I have found here. Now that I have finally found you, I'm never going to let you go away, sweetheart. You are that piece which fit perfectly with me. When I close my eyes, it is only you that I see. My love for you will never change, even if the world will change. My love is pure, and you must know that I may not really so, but I will love you even more with each passing day. I love you a lot from my every thought. Love is a feeling which changes with time, but this won't happen with me, because your love is like my life. It is my world and ecstasy. I love you for what you are. Please don't ever go far, because I love you a lot. One life and one love for sure. You know, you are in love and more. When you feel something from inside, it is like a turning tide. Many emotions and only one thought. Love has a feeling that is tough to sort. I love you a lot. If I could dream all day, I would only dream about you. I could give you a hint or clue of my true love for you. I am from the lucky few who's with a person like you. I am so in love with you. Can't think of spending a day without you. Can't think of my life too. You are my smile that brighten up my day, and I don't have much to say. Apart from that, I love you so much, and I just love your passionate touch. Love you, baby. My love will not have any condition. My love is truly pure. My love is like a lure. It will attract you in no time. So glad that you are all mine. I will love you till the end of time. No matter how far you go, no matter where you stay, my love will always remain in your heart. If you are near or you are apart, my love will leave a lasting effect on you. I truly and purely love you. I long for you each night and day. I long for your touch, things that are on my mind, things that makes my love one of a kind. Baby, I love you so, and I want you to know that my love is forever. Love is a dream and emotion unsaid. It is a feeling of heart. It brings to heart closer from the start. That instant connect of the eyes makes a person so wise. I love you so much, longing for your touch. I am so glad that you are in my life, so glad to call you mine, so glad that you will stay with me. Your smile gives me a pleasant glee. Baby, I love you so, just want you to know that I will love you forever. Your love gives me the power to live. Your love is like my life. I don't think I can stay without you. Without you, I won't survive. I love you way too much, waiting for your touch. I love you. Love is a dream, and I wish to live this dream with you. Love is like so deep, I want to explore it with you. Love is a passion, I want to experience it with you. I love you.